we're lowering the F-150 and throwing traction bars on. It's time to hook and buck. So we're currently on the way to put the suspension on. You guys seen from the title, so we're just gonna can't tell y'all how much I love this thing. Like how nasty it is with just so simple shit. I don't know. Some say it's simple, I say it what it is. Sounds so good.
That is 10 inches.
I told you it's hella tall.
From here to here.
I told you it's hella tall. That's why I'm lowering.
We're gonna solve that, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're gonna go from 10.
It's 3.5. So I think 3 in the front, 5 in the back. Drop? Yeah.
So that's okay. So you're gonna get a. You're gonna be about 6.5 or so.
We actually got to take that out before we go do a hit.
About 6.5 or so, right there. Is that gonna be low enough? You're gonna go to a taller tire?
I'm gonna go to a taller tire eventually.
All right.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So we gotta take that shit out.
What is that?
All the suspension.
Oh, let's get it out. Let's get that out.
Yeah.
He's at 40 now, so
you gotta be below it. Woo! I still want a 40 to 100 though. I don't know what I'm doing. Understand?
motherfucker.
That's why you pay me $5 and not go pay somebody else 500. Learning.
You don't want us eating it all, Justin?
No, dude, I need my food for tomorrow. Wrench on it. Is it going?
What's your initial thoughts on it now?
It looks good.
What'd you say it looked like?
It looks good.
No, you said it looks like a Mexican truck. Nah, it does though. You guys can't see right now. Don't you think?
I like it. Just need wheel.
Bruh, we're having a, or I don't even want to give you guys any hints, but yeah, you guys can't see right now. It's fucking dark as shit. But no, it's a lot lower. But you guys will see an initial full video tomorrow. But just a little sneak peek for you guys. But we'll be able to get up close during the light tomorrow. But nah, we're definitely liking the look of this shit. It looks really good. The suspension feels actually pretty stiff again. I didn't get this shit brand new. I bought this used off someone secondhand. So we'll test out this kit. You know, a lot of people recommend, I literally forgot the brands. Obviously, Keltrack's one of the main ones I usually go with. So this will definitely be a change for me. So having no known settings for this thing, we kind of just threw them on there just to test them out and see how they are. So we'll kind of go from there and see what happens. Suspension initially installed. As you guys can see, I mean, it rides really good. It's pretty smooth. Other than the we needed alignment. That's one of the main things, but you guys can see it's raining. We haven't really been able to do a hit yet, but we'll have videos for that coming up here soon. Otherwise, there's no rubbing. The fitment looks really good, which you guys will see in here in a minute. Otherwise, yeah, I mean, it was just more of a clip just to show you guys what my initial thoughts was. I mean, you guys see it's kind of bouncy, but I mean, we have the shock set to a certain setting right now, but I mean, it's pretty good where we have it at. So otherwise, here's some clips of the way the truck looks.